Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. Behind me, we have the C8 Corvette. We are going to do one more body modification by adding these side skirts. These are the 5VM side skirt add-on for the Corvette C8 from Extreme Online Store. It is going to add a little more prominence to this bottom piece with a wing that comes up right here, pretty much like this wing right there, just a little larger. But before we go and put it on, which is actually a pretty simple process, I want to wrap it first so it's protected, because this is a temporary winter themed wrap we are doing for the next 3, 4, 5 months, however long winter lasts here in Canada, which is weird because we really don't have any snow right now, but I'm sure it's coming. So that will be the focus of today's install, is we're going to quickly wrap this to protect the paint on it. Then we're going to mount it. Again, super simple. Let's go. So just before I get wrapping this here, let me explain how they're going to mount. So you're going to see this flat area right here, and it extends all the way to about 1/3 of the length of the side skirt. That is going to press up against the body right here. So down here, right across to about where this point comes out. So that is where we're going to use some of the double-sided tape they've included. You'll see me stick it here all the way to there. And then the rest of this actually has a cavity which will allow it to kind of grab around this piece right here. See how my hand is grabbed around it? That's much like it will grab. And it'll go right to the back of this mud flap. Now to secure it properly, you can use screws or rivets by drilling through here. Now I noticed something on their website. The carbon fiber version of this seems to have pre-drilled holes. The carbon flash does not. So I am going to just guesstimate or approximate where I want my screw holes. So they provide you with some rivets, and they also provide you with some screws. I'm choosing to use screws because I need to be able to take these skirts off again and don't want to have to drill out the rivets. So we'll use screws to attach this. That's just a personal choice because I know that I'm going to be taking them off. If I knew they were going to stay on there, I would probably use riv nuts even, just in case for some reason they had to come off, whether I intended to keep them on long term or not. All right, we got the white done on the underside of the side skirt, as you can see there. Now we have the inside of this wing that we are going to do white, and we're going to cut it kind of in the top edge with this finish line tape, and that's going to be one inlay, we'll call it, and then we're going to do a second piece of white all the way along here with the seam overlapping here, so it'll face down. You won't even know there's a seam because it's using the natural fold in the plastic. And then we will wrap this exposed piece on the outside red. So I just want to give you an update on where we're at. I know what you're thinking. The red, Don, does not look like you know what you're doing. It looks like a disaster, but that's okay. We've got the tape under here, the knifeless tape, which is going to make us some nice clean lines, including underneath here. So trust me, I'll do a close-up and you'll see what I'm talking about. The side skirt is now wrapped. Everything is cut out pretty neatly. And now we just need to fit it up on the car over here. So that's what we're going to do next. I might need an extra set of hands to tackle it. First, we have to put the double-sided tape right here, because this is the piece that comes in contact with the body. I know what you're thinking, but there's vinyl there. So what I'm going to do is we are just going to score the film and cut a little bit back, so that's where the adhesive will go. I'm just dragging the blade. It's not cutting through. It's at the ends here, you gotta be really careful. This is also not exposed, so if I got a little tiny scratch on there, I'm not too worried about it. But once it's scored, it will tear in that spot. Ta-da, magic. So I got Mrs. Dawn's Life holding the camera because we're about ready to put this on. So I've got the adhesive strips ready to go. I peeled this one off. I just started this one because I want to kind of fit it close to the body where it's going to touch and then peel that away. Now remember I said we could use rivets, but that would require me drilling holes. I'm not going to do that because I mentioned I'm going to be taking these off again in the near future. They do give you screws to take care of it. You could pre-drill through the screws. I'm actually going to use these self-tapping screws, which are essentially the same thing, but they got a little blade on the end to act like a drill bit. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to space them out approximately a foot apart, and then Mrs. Dawn's Life is going to help hold up the end. We'll line up the back, pull the adhesive off, and the whole time we're pushing it in, I'll add those screws. So let's go. So I'm just gonna line up the back here, make sure it's perfectly flush with the back. Pull this out.
Thanks.
Stick it in.
You did it.
So now we gotta push this in.
Oh my goodness.
And I gotta drill underneath at the same time. So this is where having a helper is very handy.
I can't hold it in that hard. Nope. I
Got
don't
it.
think. Oh.
You did it.
Oh.
She is a good helper. Remember, I have paint protection film under here. So right now it's vinyl wrap on top of paint protection film. So none of the paint is gonna get scratched. You got it? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Got good job. For the 4 people that are watching this video, I'm sure that you would love to have my wife help you with this type of stuff.
Oh, I'm so helpful.
You are actually. This is a pain in the butt by yourself. And now the last screw, it's in there nice and tight. Voila. Well, thank you to Mrs. Dawn's Life. We got them installed. I've got the other side done too. Let me just close this. I think next we have to spend some time in this area. Hint, hint. We got this side done too. We are ready to roll. Let's take it outside tomorrow. we are back in the garage. Sorry about the footage there. I slipped a little bit. Back tires kind of kicked out. In a way, I was kind of testing the tires, but before you get mad at me, remember this is a sports car and it was in a very controlled and secluded area. There was really nobody around except you and me. But I'm really happy with these side skirts from Extreme Online Store. I'll say they're not perfect, but for the price, they're a very compelling purchase. I think this helps with the look. I think having that winglet there to match the one in the front really helps. Again, temporary wrap. Gonna keep it for 4 months maybe, around there. And then we'll do something completely different, which is why I use screws and not rivets, because I didn't want to have to drill out the rivets. I'll let you see the other side here. So that is it so far. I can tell you, since I put this wrap or this livery on, it does get a lot of smiles. They're either laughing at me or they're liking what they see. Either way, I wanted to draw a little bit of attention to this project, which is why we had some fun with it. I think maybe we need to do a ski box, maybe some more lighting. There's some lighting here I'm working on. So more to come with the C8. One thing I wanted to show you is how effective these mud flaps are. So these are also from Extreme Online Store. These are the XL mud flaps. Now I've been driving this all day, so you can see it's a little bit dirty, but look at that. There's no like mud sprayed up against the body. And then back here, where I had slipped with the tires a little bit, we got some buildup right there because just a little bit isn't protected, but that's not bad. Before I had these, this would be caked. And I'm not kidding, it was like spray pattern right up to the tail light. So very effective, and they don't look half bad. They don't look like big rubber mud flaps sticking out. They actually look pretty good. So definitely check out Extreme Online Store. They've got a lot of affordable options for way more vehicles than just the Corvette C8. They might have something right up your alley. They had a lot for my M4. I just didn't discover them until I got into the C8. But if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time.